Ikebe Pkekus Toto. Toto with vibes. Toto with melody. Toto with that sweet lyrics. Toto they give man wisdom. Oh my God. Toto, see how straight women, their leg, they come down. God took his time to put that Pkekus for the middle of their legs, bro. Don't see, have you seen some kind of Pkekus with heavy mama, bro? See some kind of Pkekus, some kind of Toto, the mama go swear, heavy mama go make me. Ah, God. I've said it before. If there should be anything to compare with Pkekus, it has to be another sweet Pkekus. It go be Toto sweet past Toto. Hey God, Toto sweet, bro. Enjoy Pkekus, get Pkekus down. Ikebe Pkekus Toto. Hey God. You they observe women and the Pkekus, the brain they go straight. See, there is nothing you go compare with Pkekus, bro. Toto they give man joy. Toto is tasted. Toto is uncomparable. If there should be anything to compare with this Pkekus from the lady, from the Toto, it have to be another sweet Pkekus. Toto sweet past Toto. Hey God, bro, enjoy Pkekus. We are on a Christmas level. We are on a Chris level. Get Pkekus down. Don't do. Ladies, give your man Pkekus, may enjoy. If not, they go cheat on you. Hey God. If you don't want your man to cheat on you, if you don't want your man to leave you for another guy, you mean if you don't want your girlfriend to leave you for another guy, also if you don't want your guy to leave you for another girl, please be submit that Pkekus. Be submissive to your man on a regular state. Don't do. Enjoy Pkekus, get Toto down. Women's are specially made. And we keep saying it. Toto is a gift. Toto is specially made for we to enjoy. Don't do. Get Pkekus down. Enjoy Toto. Toto with vibes. Toto they give man joy. Toto they give man wisdom. Toto has so many meaning in our lives. Toto has a lot of value in the life of a man. We cannot live without women. Enough will happen, man. Pkekus. Show me that man that can actually stay away without Pkekus. Show me that man that can actually do without enjoying the sweetness of the Pkekus, the joy of Pkekus. You know, they don't see Toto. He good. You don't see Pkekus. Your mind go there. Don't do. Ikebe Pkekus Toto. I want to see Toto everywhere for my eye. See Toto. Hey, get Toto down. Toto sweet. Don't do. Enjoy Pkekus. Toto sweet.